Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to discuss about red spell. What are the effects of red spell, when to use the red spell, and uh, why red spell is so much important. Okay, so we will discuss some of the examples, and after the end of the video we after we have discussed the examples, then we will conclude. Okay, let us proceed with first example. See, guys, uh, let me draw. He have used his first spell. See, the first spell, in the first spell the dragons are moving towards this archer tower, and it is followed by balloons. Obviously the dragon will be facing the rage first, and then the balloons. See the effect. Most probably, okay, let me show. See, dragon have gained his power. Also the balloons are in the rage. Also you may see that here also, in this area he have deployed another spell. Okay, so you can see, guys, the potion covering the rage is almost cleared by the dragon and the balloons. Okay, let us move to the next example. See, guys, he have used one rage spell, and in this rage spell there are some golems, bowlers, and yeti. See its effect. Okay, see, most of the bowlers have started moving so fast, and almost have cleared the area covering the rage spell. Okay, and also he have pushed itself to this area. Again he have deployed one rage spell, and almost the area covering the rage spell is cleared. See here, again he have deployed one rage spell here. See, again he have deployed the rage spell, and the yetis are doing good work, and almost his base is clear. Okay, let me show another example. See, guys, he have deployed one rage spell, but most of the armies are not within the range and moving here and there. Okay, so some army have moved this side, some are going this side. He used another rage spell here, and see. Okay, so you can see, guys, the rage spell is almost the area wherever the rage spell is being used. Okay, let's see here also, the almost in that area the defense buildings are being tackled, and Okay. See another race spell here. He wanted to push his army back to the TH, so therefore he used his jump spell. But let us focus back to our race spell. And okay, the invisible spell is gone. And let me show you another example. See guys, the race spell is being used to tackle down this queen. Okay, and this race spell is used again to protect the queen from other defenses. Let me show another example. See guys, the race spell, within this race spell there are so many yetis and bowlers, and was easily able to tackle all the defense buildings here. Again the race spell is forced and they were moving towards the crowded building areas, and the jump spell is deployed. Now there is another race spell, and you can see almost every defenses in the middle is cleared, and last race spell is remaining, and I think he have deployed this race spell. Okay, so as you know, this will result in complete 3 star. Okay, let me give you one another example. See, he have used the race spell here, but since the jump spell was not there, most of the armies have moved from this side to this side. Okay, you can see guys, the race spell is used again, and the army is almost easily able to tackle the nearby buildings. Okay, so let me conclude guys what we have learned and how can we deploy the race spell. First and foremost, the race spell is used when a group of building is there. Okay, suppose in this area there are so many group of buildings nearby, and if your army is moving towards this building, then you should use your race spell here. Okay, what it will make benefit, that it will clear all the defense buildings nearby. Okay, also your troops will not be damaged more by the defense buildings. Okay, also you may see that the race spell, if you deploy in the corners, is not so beneficial. Okay, only when the your army is in the middle, it gives the most benefit. Okay, once the middle part is clear, then you can deploy your remaining race spells. And the third thing which we have learned, okay, that rage spell is most effective when the walls are not much more disturbing. For example, if your army is moving in this area and there is some walls, then the race spell may be little less effective. Okay, so try to manage these walls using jump spell or log launcher or any type of siege machine, and then you can deploy this race spell. Hope you have liked this video, guys. Meet you in next video. Thank you.